Live from Connecticut's news leader, this is NBC 30 Connecticut News at 6.
One day after California's highest court okayed same-sex marriages, 8 couples in Connecticut are now hoping for a similar outcome. The Connecticut Supreme Court is expected to rule on the issue any day now. Kendra Farn spoke with 2 of the plaintiffs.
Stephen Davis and Jeffrey Busch have been together nearly 20 years when yesterday's decision in California came down.
I cried.
The 2 men have a 5-year-old son, Elijah, named for the Jewish symbol of hope. They have been joined in civil union, which affords them the legal rights and benefits of marriage. But it's not enough.
We were grateful for the rights and the benefits that were provided by the state, but it came at a great cost. The cost was to publicly declare ourselves as something different, as second-class citizens. And civil union isn't marriage. If it was marriage, they would call it marriage.
It was in September of 2005 that Connecticut became the first state to adopt same-sex unions without judicial intervention. But it was a year before that Stephen and Jeffrey and 7 other gay and lesbian couples filed a lawsuit against the state when they were denied the right to marry. 1 year ago this week, the state Supreme Court heard oral arguments in their case, Kerrigan Mock versus the Department of Health. The decision is expected any day now. Even some opponents believe Connecticut's court will follow California's lead.
Marriage is one of our most basic and precious social institutions. It is and always has been between a man and a woman. And when you radically redefine it into something it has never been, it will be bad for children, for religious liberty, for parental rights, and for school curriculum.
Jeffrey and Stephen believe the opposite. Their son understands there are different kinds of families, but doesn't understand why his parents can't be married.
All the things that we argued in court were in that California decision, so far as I can see, and you know, how can they not be persuaded by that?
In Wilton, Kendra Farn, NBC 30 News.